Hey there, party people. I wasn't planning on doing a video today, so bear with me. I'm trying to clean the house and I want to put all this stuff away. It's been sitting underneath my table for too long and I just got to get it dealt with and out so I can put it away, deal with what I got to do. So, this is the Ar15 cleaning kit from this company, Real Avid. This is exactly how it comes. So before, this kit used to come with more stuff, and I guess they took a bunch of stuff out. So it used to come with the booklet inside on how to take your whole AR apart and all the pieces to it and everything, which would help a beginner. I don't need it anymore. Some of this stuff I'm not even going to keep in here anymore. The one annoying thing that I found about this kit is that everything is so perfectly jammed in there that you can't fit. I mean, you could probably get a smaller bottle of oil, but the standard size Hops 9 bottle of oil won't even come close to fitting in there. So this whole thing is getting cannibalized. I'll tell you that right now. So I wanted just a whole little nugget of a shell to keep everything all in one spot, and it's just not going to happen. Um, it is pretty decent. 50 cleaning patches. I mean, we blow through these real quick. These, however, I never came across these before. I just kind of always did it by hand. These are for special patches for cleaning the chamber. And this is the little chamber thing. You're supposed to screw this into these patches and then send these up and down the chamber. I mean, I always just take it apart and do it by hand. So once these are gone, I won't be replacing them. And it comes in this big tube that I'm probably just going to get rid of because I don't want it in there. I definitely need room to keep this thing of oil in here. This handle, this is all well and good. I probably won't keep it either because I'm just used to not carrying it. This, I'll probably keep this. It is a barrel illuminator, but it also works as a flag, an empty chamber indicator flag. And they're also saying that this right here could be used as a pin punch, which is pretty cool. I'll keep it around for that. Now, you have this little card right here. I'll be getting rid of the keeper itself and just keeping the stuff inside. Obviously, you got your brushes, your pad holder, you got 2 picks and your brush. This thing, as nice as it is going to be, I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to probably not keep these patches inside the bag either. And I'll probably store all this stuff here in the bag. Just like that. And let's see if I get this out now. Yeah, this comes through. It's sewn in there. Okay, this thing is sewn in there. I'm going to cut that out later. Come out this way. All right, yeah, not bad. All right, so that's gone, which sucks. I kind of like keeping everything nice together the way they make it for you, but it's just not going to happen for my purpose. And put all this stuff back here like this. Pop this back here. Keep this. These are your rods. I like how the rods come apart pretty small, which is nice. I don't think they come as apart as small as the old school M16 cleaning kit. And then I should be able to get this thing to fit. This is just some general instructions on what you have. But yeah, if you're, I don't know, I would say what, intermediate at taking apart the AR, this one won't even help you anyway, but if you're intermediate with the AR, you shouldn't need that. And now we're kind of where I want to be now with this kit. I'll be adding more cleaning patches for sure. And that's not so bad. You know, I could probably even fit a small thing of solvent in there. Maybe get a container that fits half as much oil. But now this is actually kind of up more my alley what I wanted to use it for. Um, Here we got the receipt. This thing was $34.99 at Bass Pro Cabela's. Is it worth that? It's kind of up to you. I've been out of the market for a while. I used to just piecemeal stuff together, buy it as I need it, and people give me stuff. And I also had a relative pass away recently. It gave me a ass ton of cleaning stuff. So I'm set. This is just to let people know that they did scab a bunch of stuff out of this. It used to be pretty good for a beginner cleaner because they had the whole schematic and stuff of how to break the AR down. There was a whole book and nicely laminated pages and everything else, but they ended up getting rid of it. So what are you gonna do? Shrinkflation, I guess they call it. So I hope this helps out somebody. Like I said, I wasn't planning to do this video today. It's just that I have to start putting stuff away and start cleaning stuff out. But we got a bunch of crazy stuff coming up. I bought a new van. We're going to be doing some van life stuff. We're going to be making some skateboard videos, all sorts of crazy things coming. So thanks a lot for your support, everybody, and I'm going to see you soon.